Hello and welcome to Paper Plays Julie K.
Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by to check out my latest video. Today I have a few more ornaments to share with you guys. Hopefully you're not tired of these ornaments, but I've been having fun making them. Last month I was part of a collab hosted by Amy Love, and I created a shabby chic style one. I also showed you earlier this month a couple of Victorian vintage style ones, and now today I have some in blue that I created, and I made these beautiful ornaments. My mom and my mother-in-law both decorate in blue at Christmas time, and so I wanted to create them some ornaments. I usually make them a blue ornament every year. And so again, I started off with paper mache ornaments from Hobby Lobby. And you can see a couple of shades of chalk paint on here. There's also crackle medium to make that crackle effect. I usually start off with the dark color, then the crackle medium, and then I do the lighter color over it. And then the fun part for me is actually adding the laces and the bling and any trims that I do to it. And this one, I added the beautiful little bling hearts on the middle. And I picked those up from Kim's shop, Angel Dreams Crafts Kim. And I've been hoarding on them for a while. She does have them, I think, quite often in her store, but I've been holding on to quite a few of them, and I was able to use them all on this ornament. And then at the bottom, I had some of this loopy trim, and I picked that up a long time ago from Craft Supplies for You. I don't think she has it in her store anymore. I've just been kind of hoarding on that also. I'm almost out of it. But I use some at the bottom of this ornament, and then also at the top. I use just kind of a basic ribbon for hanging. There's also some ribbon roses way at the top. And then kind of at the top and the bottom, you can kind of see some flat back pearls and a little string of pearls that I use just to kind of finish off the ends. And then this one, I added a fun little bird to it. And the little bird I picked up at the thrift store a long time ago. I bought kind of a baggie full of them, and I believe that they were used way back when, maybe in the 80s, on decorating wedding cakes, and I think they're perfect for adding to flower clusters, and they look really cute on the top of the ornaments, so I used them on the ornaments also. And then I had this beautiful piece of bling that I used kind of as my statement piece, and I think I got that one from Amy Love in one of our swaps, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But I love how that one turned out. And the next one is very similar. The only thing different is this one I added this beautiful heart trim, and that also came from Kim's shop, Angel Dreams Crafts Kim. I added some flat back pearls to this one on each of the sections. And then this one, for my little statement piece, I added the beautiful snowflake bling, which that also comes from Kim's shop, Angel Dreams Crafts Kim. And another one of the little birds at the top. I love how that one turned out. And then here was the final one that I created. Again, very similar, but this one I just had some of that heart trim, which is every other. And then I also had this little bling here that I added. And I think this bling came from Hobby Lobby. And this one, I did use a couple different styles of flat back pearls. I had that style of flat back pearl, and then also that flat back pearl. And this one had some ribbon roses also at the top on this one. So let me know what you guys think, and thank you again so much for watching. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful month, and until next time, have a wonderful day and happy crafting.